Hi everyone, if you are an international medical graduate planning to practice medicine in Australia, then establishing your AMC portfolio is your first milestone. In this video, I will walk you through the official 6 steps just to understand it clearly and avoid common mistakes. This is based directly on the latest 2026 AMC guidelines, so let's begin. AMC requires you to follow the 6 steps in a strict order. First, confirm your eligibility. Second, create your MyInTeLT and Epic portfolio. Third, create AMC account. Fourth, establish your AMC portfolio. Fifth, proceed with your AMC pathways. And the sixth one is get your qualifications verified. Your primary medical school qualification must be from an eligible school with exact medical degree as well as the graduation year. You can use AMC self-check tool or AMC guide to verify this. This is the primary source verification run by ECFMG. Create your MyInTeLT account, and to establish this account, you need to upload your passport size photo, scan copy of your passport as well as a completed InTeLT identification form. Next step is to Epic portfolio. So to establish your Epic portfolio, you need to upload your primary medical degree and select the AMC Australian Medical Council as a recipient. ECFMG usually takes 3 business days to issue MyInTeLT ID. Now remember one thing, your data will only be transferred to AMC after your Epic portfolio is established and fully active. So do your step 2 first before you jump into step 3 and step 4. You need an AMC account to share document and access services. If you are a new user, just create one. If you have account before 1st October 2015, then you need to create another one. But any account after this date, you can just sign it. After completing 1 to 3 steps and having a MyInTeLT ID, you can log into your AMC account and select Establish an AMC Initial Portfolio. You need to upload your passport size photo, your signature, your scanned copy of the passport as well as your primary medical degree detail. You need to pay the initial portfolio fees. AMC will take usually 5 business days to review it and then you will receive your AMC candidate number. Now remember one thing, do not add any of these documents. They are not accepted, such as your medical registration and licenses, your internship or housemanship documents, PhDs, any resources documents, your partially completed degrees, your scientific degrees, or your any Australian or Australasian qualification. You will still be charged an administration fees, but they will not appear in your portfolio. So do not upload any of these documents. Once your medical degree is verified, you can move forward with selected pathway. It can be standard pathway, competent authority pathway, or any specialized pathway. We'll talk about different pathways in my next video. Add all the eligible qualifications via Epic, primary degree plus your specialist or postgraduate credentials. Once the ECFMG send the verification report to the AMC, your status will update from request verified to yes. This verification process can happen during, before or after the portfolio process. This information is shared with the Medical Board of Australia as well as the specialist college that you nominate in specialist pathway. Always check your exact requirement with the medical board as well as the specialized college. Quick but important tips from the AMC. Follow all the steps strictly in order. Epic portfolio must be active before creating your AMC portfolio. All the names and details must match to your documents exactly. Check latest fees and refund policies on AMC website. Save all the PDFs, receipts and confirmation. If unsure whether you need an initial portfolio, contact AMC. That's the complete official 6 steps to establish your AMC portfolio. If this helped, please like, share and subscribe. All the official links are in the description box. Good luck with your AMC journey. I'll see you in my next video.